Hello guys, my name is Nur Akila Nadira binti Muhammad Azrul. Today I wanted to talk about rainforest food. Now I want to promote and want to tell you guys about promotion for this food. Why you must choose this food? Because the food is so innovative. When you walk in the rain, you can get wet, so you don't worry about your wet food. For the design, also delicate and can make you uplifting your day. This book also user friendly. You see, this book will make you more trendy. This food also available in the market because we produce our product in the big size. This boot same function but different design. When you don't have more time, especially to watch it. So you don't worry, this book, if you wear this book, and always aromatic. So you can get this book at my store Rugged Footwear. Don't worry about the price, is only $95 cheaper than Mountain Explorers. So, bye! That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati binti Zakaria and my matric number is 19 DPM 18F 2034. So today, I'm going to expose one of the best product which is called as a Mountain Explorers boot. First thing, this product is luxurious. It is suitable for those people who love to go hiking. So you guys don't have to worry to wear it in a rainy day because this boot is a water resistant. To those people who want to look elegant while you go hiking, I will suggest that you guys should buy this product. This product is the top of the range in our sale. The price of this product is $110. It is a bit expensive, but it is reasonable for those people who want to find a hiking boots. Last but not least, our motto for this product, we want our customer feel satisfied and at the same time feel happy. That's all. Thank you.